We'll solve today Class 1 IEO, that is English Olympiad 2023 Set B question paper that happened on 12th October. So let's solve and understand the answer key for that. First section is word and structure knowledge. For questions 1 to 4, choose the correct word that describes the picture. Can you recognize picture 1? Is it watermelon, apple cart, ash cart or yam? The right answer is option C, ash cart. This is the picture of ash cart. Second, hair, cheek, forehead, chin. Can you see the arrow? Which part of the face that is? That is forehead. Option C is the right answer. Question 3. Which animal is this? Cat, leopard, bison or wolf? The right answer is option D, wolf. Question 4. Can you recognize this device? Is it webcam, air purifier, oven or egg boiler? The right answer is option A, webcam. For questions 5 and 6, choose the correct answer. Question 5. What is the young one of a monkey called? Is it kid, infant, cub or foal? The right answer is option B, infant. The young one of a monkey is called infant. Question 6. Where can you find the meaning of a word? Now, if you have to find a meaning of a particular word, where will you go or which one would you refer? School might help but not the right answer. Diary? No. Dictionary? That's right. Because dictionary is the book where you can find meaning of a particular word. So the right answer is option C, dictionary. For questions 7 and 8, choose the correct option for the underlined word. Question 7. My tea is very hot. And the underlined word is hot. So what is hot over here? It is tea. And what is tea? Tea is subject noun. So any word that describes more about noun or pronoun is called adjective. So the right answer is option B. Hot here is an adjective. The boy jumped into the river. Is it preposition, conjunction, article or verb? And here they are talking about into because into is underlined. Into here is preposition, option A, because it is telling the position of the boy that is towards inside the river. So into is the preposition here. For questions 9 to 12, choose the correct option to fill in the blank. I met dash stranger in the park. Now here we are going to use article a. Option A is the right answer. I met a stranger. Because in a stranger the starting sound is of a consonant. Question 10. My mother is dash the vegetables. Chop, chopping, cut or cuts. Now here is used and it looks like it is a continuous sentence, present continuous sentence. So we use verb plus ing. So here the right option should be option B, chopping. My mother is chopping the vegetables. Present continuous tense. Question 11. The cat jumped dash the fence. To the fence, at the fence, over the fence or off the fence. The right answer is option C, over the fence. We use over to talk about movement or position at a higher level than something else, and fence is at higher level than cat. Question 12. I like dash soup hot. Now, whose soup I would like hot? It would be my soup, right? So the right answer is option D. I like my soup hot. Question 13. Choose the option with correct spelling. And it looks like they're talking about slippery, which means something difficult to hold firmly or stand on because it is smooth, wet or slimy. So the right spelling is slippery, which is option C. Question 14. Choose a word that means same as gather. And what does gather mean? Gather means to come together or bring several things together. Okay. So let's see. Collect, spend, divide or grip. Which one means gather? The right answer is option A, collect. Collect and gather both means to come or bring several things together. Choose the opposite of selfish. Who is selfish? The one who lacks consideration for other people and only think about oneself. So if we have to find the opposite of selfish, we need to see the word that means someone who really thinks about others also. Mean, no. Narrow, no. Greedy, no. Generous. Yes. Option C, generous, is the right opposite of selfish. Moving to the next section, that is reading. For questions 16 to 20, look at the picture and choose the correct answer. Now we have to look the picture very closely because all the questions will come from this picture only. Question 16. The wall behind is made dash bricks. Can you see the wall behind on which bicycle is there? Is hanging, and it is made of bricks, right? So option B, of, is the right preposition to use over here. The wall behind is made of bricks. There is dash bicycle hanging on the wall. A bicycle, an bicycle, the bicycle, or no article. Now bicycle, we can hear a consonant sound in the starting, right? So we are gonna use a over here, option A. And there is one more reason, because there is only one bicycle and we use a generally with singular noun. There is a bicycle hanging on the wall. Question 18. Joy dash happy. Can you locate Joy? Yeah. And Joy looks happy. Joy is a singular noun and we will use singular verb over here, which is looks. Option B is the right answer. This is an image of a gym, no. Bank, no. Mall, no. Garage. Option C, garage, is the right answer. There is no dash in the image. Now let's see all the options and find which one is not there. Screwdriver, it is there. See the hand of Joey, he is holding screwdriver. Scooter, it is there. Tire, it is there. But we cannot find curtain in the picture. So option D is the right answer. For questions 21 to 25, read the passage and answer the questions that follow. One summer's day in a field, a grasshopper was hopping about, chirping and singing to its heart's content. An ant passed by, carrying with great effort an ear of corn that he was taking to his nest. "Why don't you come and chat with me?" asked the grasshopper, "instead of toiling your life away?" "I am helping to store up food for the winter," said the ant, "and I recommend you to do the same." "Why bother about winter?" said the grasshopper. "We have plenty of food at present." But the ant went on its way and continued its toil. When winter came, the grasshopper found himself dying of cold and hunger, as he had no shelter and no food to eat. He was passing by the ants' nest and saw the ants happy and distributing corn and grains from the stores to everybody they had collected in the summer. Then the grasshopper knew that he should have listened to the ant and realized that all these are not sunny. And just like the ant, he should have also been prepared for the winters. Now let's solve some questions. What is the passage about? That's very easy. It is option A, the ant and the grasshopper. What was the grasshopper doing? He was working hard to collect food? No. He was hopping about, chirping and singing. That is the right answer. Option B is the right answer. Question 23. The ant was carrying a ant dash with great effort. Grain of wheat? No. Piece of wood? No. Ear of corn? Yes. Slice of bread? No. Option C, ear of corn, is the right answer. Question 24. What happened to the grasshopper in the winter? He was dying of cold and hunger. That's absolutely right. And that is our answer. Option A. But let's see others also. He was eating corn that he had already stored. No. He dug a hole and went inside. No. He didn't care about feeling cold and hungry. No. So the right answer is he was dying of cold and hunger. Option A. Question 25. The grasshopper realized that all days are not sunny and he should have also been prepared for the winters. Right answer is option B, sunny. Moving to the next section, that is spoken and written expression. For questions 26 to 30, choose the most suitable option to complete each conversation. 26. Jenny, dash are you planning to wear today? Meena, I have not decided yet. Here, it could not be which, not how, but what. What are you planning to wear today? Option C is the right answer. Question 27. Sherry, you speak Chinese dash well. Less well? No. Too well? No. Little well? No. Very well. Option D is the right answer. Question 28. Nitin, I take these medicines dash bedtime. After bedtime? How is that even possible? Because after bedtime only sleep would be there. Always bedtime? No. Before bedtime or under bedtime? The right answer is before bedtime. I take these medicines before bedtime, before going to the bed. Option C is the right answer. Question 29. Mother, Reba asked her friend to come dash. Come on, come over, come at or come to. The right answer here should be option B, come over. That means to ask someone to come to your place. Question 30. Tina, Jaya opened the window dash. It was dark inside. Here there is a reason given. Why Jaya opened the window? Because it was dark inside. Option B, because is the right answer. Moving to the last section, that is achiever section, and it holds double marks for each question. So try to attempt nicely. For questions 31 and 32, choose the correct option to fill in the blank. Question 31, they had a hard time finding dash room. T-H-E-R-E there? No, because that tells about the place. T-H-E-I-R there is the right answer because it talks about the position of them, right? And we are using they. So anything which belongs to them is there. So option B, T-H-E-I-R there is the right answer. Question 32. Did you dash your mother about it? Now we have already used past verb over here, that is did. So we are going to use the base form of verb over here, which is tell. Option D. Did you tell your mother about it? Question 33. Choose the correct spelling. And it looks like they're talking about spectacles, which is a pair of glasses. The right spelling is in option A, S-P-E-C-T-A-C-L-E-S. Question 34. Choose the correct adjective from the given options. Sheena sang a melodious song. Adjective is something that describes how the noun or pronoun is. Here there are two nouns. One is Sheena and one is song. And what is melodious doing in the sentence? It is describing how the song is, right? That means it is describing the noun. So it will be adjective. So the right answer is option C, melodious. Question 35. Choose the correct option to complete the conversation. Father, Soni dash her mistake. Mother, I am so proud of her. Blamed her mistake? No. Told her mistake? Okay. Refused her mistake? No. Confessed her mistake. Now this is the right word to use with mistake. Option B. Confess we generally use when we are admitting or acknowledging something, and it is mostly used in terms of any mistake, etc. So confessed is the right word to use here. Soni confessed her mistake. And with this, we have successfully solved Class 1 English Olympiad 2023 Set B question paper. If you love the video, do like it and subscribe to the channel Kids Funzy Laugh and Learn if you have not yet done. Also share this link with your friends and family so that they are also prepared. Stay tuned and do check out the playlist Olympiad exams and other playlists in Kids Funzy Laugh and Learn. There are so many papers of math, NSO, NCO. So go and solve that. Bye bye. Happy learning.